Hi everyone, welcome to Insightful Maths. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic which is applicable to all the grades, as maybe if you are giving your Olympiads or your term tests are there, this is something which is going to help you all through, correct? So let's start the topic. So as you can see on my screen, it is written the abbreviation which is BODMAS, wherein this B stands for bracket, which is also known by another name parenthesis. So if somewhere you read this term parenthesis, please do not get confused. This is another word for bracket. So if multiple operations are given in any particular question, you have to first solve the bracket. O stands for the operation orders or of. Of you must have studied earlier. This is another form of multiplication. We are having multiplication symbol here as well. But if of is written, you have to first solve of, which again means times, multiplication. It orders in this order other than of, there can be square root of any number. The square root, for example, square root of 4, that is equal to 2. The square root of 9, that is equal to 3. So if any square roots are given, after bracket you solve the square roots. Other is square of the number. Square means the number multiplied by itself. For example, if I say 3 square, 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. Correct? So after bracket, you have to solve orders, which includes of, square root or squares. After that, you need to solve division. If there is a division symbol between two numbers, that has to be solved first, followed by multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, it is very easy to remember. It is BODMAS. Bracket, orders, divide, multiply, add and subtract. Okay, let us do the questions based on this topic so that you can grasp the topic well. Have a look at question number 1. It says evaluate. Up so many numbers you can see here. Multiply, divide, and there is a curly bracket as well. We have just discussed that we have to follow this pattern, that is BODMAS. Wherein, what is this B? This is bracket and we can see there is a bracket here, this curly bracket. तो हमें पहले ही bracket solve करना है. अब bracket के अंदर भी we are having multiple operations, multiply, divide, multiply. तो bracket तो we have followed कि first we are solving the bracket. After bracket, of or order, of कुछ भी नहीं है, cross this one. After of or order, there is a symbol division. हमारे पास divide और multiply दोनों है. So which has to come first? Division has to be done first before multiplication. And division, have a look, it is between 32 and 2. Okay? So your question will now convert it to curly bracket 15 multiplied by, what is 32 divided by 2? 32 divided by 2 is 16. मैंने इन दोनों नंबर को डिवाइड किया. I got 16. After that, there is multiplied by 5, bracket close and divided by 75. This much is clear. Now there is a multiplication sign inside the bracket. All three numbers are multiplied. आप किसी भी order में multiply कर सकते हो. Preferable 2 digit with 2 digits को avoid करके multiply 2 digit with 1 digit. It is an easier method. So 16 into 5, how much is that? Very good. That is equal to 80. अगर आपको नहीं आता, I request table till 20s you need to learn. Anyhow, इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. If you start practicing now during the summer break, it will be much easier for you. So this is 16 into 5 is 80. 15 multiplied by 80. Beta, when we are multiplying these two numbers, any one number is having a 0. This 0 automatically goes to the answer. So what you have to do? 15 into 8. How much is that? It is 120. So the product of these two numbers is 1200. It has to be divided by 75. अभी आपकी मर्जी है. Whether you divide this one by 75 directly or these are multiples of 5, 25, 15, किसी से भी कर सकते. I am dividing these two by 50. ठीक है? Because answer is required as a simplest form. 120 divided by 15. देखो 120 divided by 15. is 8 and there is a 0 left out. It is 80. 75 divided by 15 is 5. अब मुझे पता है 80 is a multiple of 5. 80 can again be divided. So 80 divided by 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 30 is left out. 5 into 6 is 30. अगर आप पूर्ण नहीं कर सकते, I request please make a rough column here and do your calculation. 80 को आप divide करके देखो 5 से. Have a look. 5 into 1 is 5. Difference is 3. 0 gone down. 5 into 6 is 30. Are you getting 30? This is correct. Answer is 16. So I have written 16 here. That's your final answer. I hope this question is understood. Let's do another question. Now we are having three operations here of divide and addition. Please follow board mass and see which operation has to be done first. It's nice. Of is first in this sequence. This is of, this is divide, this is addition. सबसे पहले कौन सा operation आता है? That is of. And I told you what is the meaning of of. That is a multiplication only. So first of all, solve this one. 2 of 5 is how much? That is 2 multiplied by 5. I'll just write it directly. 2 multiplied by 5, it is 10. Divided by 5 plus 3. Please do not panic, do not get confused. Divide और addition में दोनों, आपको ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए 5 और 3 पास लिखे हैं, 5 plus 3 8 करके डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. Please don't do that. Apply board mass. So out of division and addition, which comes on priority as per the rule? It is division. So 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2, and 2 plus 3, your answer is 5. I hope this is making sense. You're finding it easier now. Alright, let's do the next question. I request do this question simultaneously with me. Question number 3 is one of the most important question wherein several parentheses or brackets are being given to you. There is a square bracket, there is a curly bracket and a round bracket. आप पहले एक ही डायग्राम समझो. एक कर्ली ब्रैकेट है, राउंड के बाहर कर्ली, कर्ली के बाहर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. इट देयर कैन बी डिफरेंट नंबर्स एंड ऑपरेशन इनसाइड. एक बॉटम लाइन आप याद रखो, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द इनर मोस्ट ब्रैकेट. हम बोर्ड पास में क्या बोलते हैं, वी हैव टू स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द ब्रैकेट. लेकिन ब्रैकेट इतने सारे हो तो देयर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. ठीक है. यू हैव टू सॉल्व द इनर मोस्ट ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट. जो भी गिवन, सबसे पहले अंदर वाला. एक बार आप अंदर वाला वैनिश कर लेते हैं. आई जस्ट इरेज इट फॉर यू. देखो अंदर वाला जब आप सॉल्व कर लोगी, जस्ट अ मिनट, यस, वंस यू हैव सॉल्व दिस वन, you are left with now curly bracket. Solve curly bracket. When you will be solving curly bracket, then of course the external bracket will be left out. We'll be doing it accordingly. Okay? So let's start the question now. Answer number 3. Question is 25 minus square bracket 20 minus curly bracket 10 minus. And there is something inside the round bracket and these one. Now inside what I'm having, this is 7 minus 5 minus 3. It's a basic integer question. If you are still having confusion with integers, I request, I have uploaded an integer video 2-3 days back. Please go through that video. You will be getting a command on add and subtract the integers. So two negative numbers simultaneously, when they are together, you need to add the numbers along with the minus sign. So this becomes 7 minus 8. One positive, one negative. You need to take the difference. Sign on the left of bigger number is negative. Answer is minus 1. Correct? So you need to put a minus 1 here. I told you in the previous video, when you have to open the bracket and there is 1 minus inside and 1 minus outside, they both get vanished. ये दोनों cancel हो जाते. ठीक है. तो जब हम ये round bracket open करेंगे ना, this minus and this minus will be cancelled and they will be converted to an addition. So have a look. Now the second part of this question becomes something like this. 20 minus curly bracket 10. Now minus minus has become plus 1. Curly bracket close, square bracket close. Now it's easy. 10 plus 1 is how much? It is 11. So next step is 25 minus square bracket 20 minus 11. And 20 minus 11 is how much? That is 9. So this is, have a look at each step. It is getting simplified. And how much is 25 minus 9? That's correct. It is 16. That's your answer. So this trick is very, very easy. Start solving the inner bracket first. So सबसे ज़्यादा अंदर है, start solving that, then move gradually towards the outer side. Alright, let's do question number 4 now. Answer number 4 says you need to evaluate 10% of 150 plus 46 divided by 23. Again, please do not forget board mass. First of all, bracket has to be solved. That's my bracket. ठीक है? Bracket के अंदर, let me just read the bracket. 10%. Percent means per 100. So I will write it as 10 upon 100, that is 10%. Of means multiply and then 150, bracket close, plus 46 divided by 23. Zeros up and zeros down can easily be cancelled. So what you are left with inside the bracket? देखो, 1 divided by 1 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 15 is just 15. So you are left with just 15 inside the bracket plus 46 divided by 23. Now you tell me, out of division and addition, which part to be solved first? See, this is divide and this is add, which is up in the order. Division. Okay? So first of all, you will divide the numbers and after that, whatever comes, you have to add it to 15. 46 divided by 23 is how much? It is just 2. And 15 from here, 15 plus 2. What's your final answer? Final answer is 17. I hope you are getting the topic now. Let's do the another question. Okay. Question number 5 now says you have to simplify this long group of, the different operations and the number. Nothing to worry. Let's focus on board mass. Are we able to see any bracket here? Board mass. I'm just writing here once again. It should go into your head now. Bracket. It's not there. Is any off operation here? I cannot see any off, square root or square. Nothing is there. But we are having division. अब जहाँ जहाँ भी division है ना, पहले आप divide करो. Division is there between these two numbers and these two numbers. Let's make the task easier. Do not get confused. Start with 12. जल्दबाजी में कुछ add नहीं करेंगे. First of all, division has to be simplified. Plus 6 multiplied by, now stop. I will not write 27 because 27 is getting divided by 3. How much is that? 27 divided by 3. Is it 9? That's correct. After that, I'm having plus 2. Write it here. Then I'm having minus, stop. 16 में नहीं लिखूंगी. Why? Because 16 and 8 are clubbed together. They have to be divided. 16 divided by 8 is how much? That is 2. And then multiplied by 2. I hope this much is fine. Now division is done. We do not have to worry about it. Next is multiplication. Let's see which numbers have multiplication sign in between them. Here it is multiplication. Here it is multiplication. बाकी सारी चीजें same रहेंगी. Do not calculate anything in between. So start with 2 plus. How much is 9 into 6? It is 54. That's correct. 54 plus 2 minus what has to be subtracted? 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. यहाँ तक ठीक है. After multiplication, there comes addition. ठीक है. अब आप देखो ये तीनों नंबर पॉजिटिव है. आपकी मर्जी है दो दो करके ऐड कर लो और you may add them all together. Hardly makes any difference. ठीक है. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. One's digit is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. So that is 68 and you are left with minus 4. How much is 68 minus 4? That is 64. Have a look how easily we have got our answer. Please follow just the board mass. Bracket nahi tha. We have solved division first. After division, multiply, then add and then subtract. Try to do question number 6 yourself right now. 3 operations are there: multiply, divide, and addition. Which follows first? Here, divide has to be done first. तो सबसे पहले आपको ये solve करना है. But for that, you should know how to divide a fraction by fraction. I'll give you a recap here. 2 by 3 divided by 7 upon 3. Division of a fraction by fraction says, first fraction as it is, multiply the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal means second fraction has to be flipped. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. 3 up, 3 down, cancel. So does it mean the value is 2 upon 7? Yeah, it is 2 upon 7. So solving these two, we have got 2 by 7. Question is 1 by 2 into 2 by 7 plus 1 upon 2. After that, there has to be a multiplication between these two. 2 up, 2 down, cancel. So you have 1 into 1. It's 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 2. These are unlike fraction. How to add these two? Take the LCM of these two, which is 14. 14 down. 7 into 2 is 40. 2 up plus 2 into 7 is 40. 7 up. So this is 7 plus 2, 9 upon 40. These two numbers are co-prime, cannot be solved further. So that's your answer. Now the next one, what you're supposed to do, you have seen many kind of questions. So this is your assessment question. I want you to please solve this question and put your answer in the comment. I reply if you have done it correctly or not. Rule remains the same. Innermost bracket, then outer one, then outermost. When all is solved, multiply by 56. I hope you are able to understand the topic well. If yes, please do not forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.